Hi, I'm Kara with DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to be discussing fly control around your property using bait stations, bait traps, and bait spray. Fly treatments are going to depend on the fly species that you're treating and also the region that you live in. Consult your county extension office for the best time to treat for flies in your area and the fly species that's most common. Most fly baits use a combination of pheromone and insecticide, relying on the pheromone to draw the flies into the bait. Knowing the type of fly you are treating for is crucial before selecting a product. For instance, what may treat a common housefly or lesser fly would not be the same as treating deer flies or horse flies around the property. Now we're going to cover using a bait station for fly control around the property. Most fly bait stations can be used with a liquid or granular fly bait, and you always want to use the amount per the product label for what station you're going to be using. Bait stations have locking lids on them to allow flies to enter, but also protecting from weather elements, pets, and children from gaining access. For best results, you typically want to place the bait stations 30 to 50 feet away from the home to draw flies away and not to the structure. You will want to place the bait stations 4 to 6 feet above ground. They can be mounted to walls, fences, trees, dumpsters, anywhere where you see fly activity. On average, one bait station is going to cover about 250 square feet and hold 1.6 ounces of bait per station. You will want to continue to monitor the bait stations every 1 to 3 days and refill as necessary. When it comes to using fly bait sprays, they come in handy when you're wanting to treat hard surfaces where flies land frequently and are a nuisance close to the home. Those areas can be including porch railings, exterior walls, outdoor windowsills and siding, and along fence posts. When applying fly bait sprays, refer to the product label. These products typically work best when you do short bursts than one long continuous spray. Using fly traps is one of the most effective ways to control flies on your property. These traps come in reusable and disposable forms for convenience. They typically last 4 to 6 weeks for fly control around the home, and you would want to place these 30 to 50 feet away from where you are wanting to draw flies away from. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and check out our other videos. We're always happy to help here at DoMyOwn.com.